Hello guys, welcome to Amber Health Beauty Tips. Today I am going to share with you one excellent formula for daily basis using Uptan. Most of the people are asking me, can we use this Uptan on daily basis? Obviously, you can use this Uptan daily basis. Nothing will not harm you. And here I am using all the natural ingredients. And so come guys, let's start how to make this Uptan. First here I am having rice. I have washed this and I keep it for dry. Here I have taken this spoon. You have to take all these things on equal quantity. So here I have taken 1 spoon of full of rice. As you all know guys, rice is having lot of benefits. It gives glow to your skin, it heals acne also, it treats rashes, it relieves from inflammation and burns also, it good for eczema, it strengthens skin elasticity, it's having law and it will soften and tightens the skin also. So here I have taken the first ingredient is rice. Second ingredient is oats. As you all know guys, oats can soak up the excess oil on your skin and it helps treat acne also. It's having antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that helps to treat our dry skin and remove the dead cells also. It removes the dirt and oil from the clogs, the pores and exfoliate the skin also. So here I have taken the same quantity of oats. Wheat flour guys, here I am using all my kitchen ingredients. Don't think that this all very simple things, it will not affect. It's having lot of benefits. Wheat is having it will protect from the sun damage, it gives you beautiful skin, it promotes skin elasticity also, it will fight with the acne, it prevents skin cancer. So there are lot of benefits in wheat. Here I have taken the same equal quantity of 1 spoon of wheat flour. If you are having whole wheat also, you can use that also. But not least, here I have taken red lentils, which is masoor dal, which will exfoliate the skin, tightens the pores, brighten your skin and also remove the skin tan also. This will work as a good cleanser for your skin. It softens it, nourishes it and make it oil free to prevent acne. So here I have taken the same quantity. Guys, here I have washed all those things except oats and atta, washed and keep it for dry, and then you have to use this thing for face mask. Don't use it directly. So here I have taken all these ingredients in same quantity. Now I am going to grind this and I will make it fine powder. Guys, I have grind it finely. This pack will work as a good scrubber also and it will gives you brightening skin also guys. You can see the color, red lentil color was fully covered in it. So I will show you how to make a pack. So here I am going to take as much as you require, for you can apply this for your face, hands and feet also. I am taking 1 spoon. And one more thing I am going to tell you, if you are having yogurt which is old, please don't throw it. Try to use that thing on your face. You can see the excellent result with that. If you are not having yogurt, you can use it raw milk or else you can use it rose water also. With these 3 ingredients you can use any of the thing and you can make face pack. Here I have not added turmeric. Kindly avoid turmeric in this pack because already I have added more in the 4 ingredients which are more powerful and which will give you good effect also. See guys, our pack is ready. You just apply this pack and leave it for 20 minutes. After that, while you are removing, you just need to scrub it and then you have to remove it. If you are using this thing regularly, you can see the result by yourself. Thank you guys, thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe my channel, like and share. Thank you, bye bye.